Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to create a drop-down list in Excel. If you are working on a big data Excel sheet, then drop-down list in Excel may help you. There may be some items in your data sheet which you want to insert multiple times with the help of drop-down list. Let's see the steps to create a drop-down list in Excel. Open a blank spreadsheet in Excel. I am going to make some data entries in column A. Click on a blank cell of column C and row 1. Click on the Data tab from the Toolbar ribbon. In the Data Tools section, click on the down arrow button of Data Validation. Click on the Data Validation option from the drop-down list. In the Data Validation window, click the drop-down list of Allow. Select the List option from the drop-down list. Make sure the checkboxes of Ignore Blank and In Cell drop-down are selected. Click on the source text box. Type the following formula: equals $A, $1, colons, $A, $4. Click on the text box to return to the data validation window. Now, click on the OK button. This will create a drop-down list in column C. If you will try to select any item from the newly created drop-down list, you will notice that it is showing a blank cell. To fix this issue, click on the down arrow button of Data Validation. Click on the Data Validations option from the drop-down list. Deselect the checkbox of Ignore Blank and click on the OK button. Try again to select an item from your drop-down list. See? Now it is working fine as selecting and showing the item name. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.